Hey, I want to show you all some homemade cookies I made today. This is a really good recipe. I had found it somewhere. I think somebody actually had sent it to me, but I've modified it a little bit to my own liking. I tend to do that with a lot of recipes, although some of them I use just as they're written. But anyway, for this recipe, it makes about a dozen. I think I have 13 this time, cookies, and I used one and a quarter cups of almond meal and wheat flour mixed. Now you can use just strictly almond meal. You can use strictly flour if you want. I like the almond meal; gives it a little bit of a nutty flavor, and then I like the wheat flour as opposed to the regular white flour. And I use organic flour as well. And I'll write this all down in the description box. 1/8 cup of coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Now you can use honey if you don't have maple syrup. Honey will do. Trying to get more of a natural type of sugar as opposed to refined sugars, because refined sugars are what's really bad for you. Also use 1/8 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. Now that's optional. You don't have to put the chocolate chips in them, but it does make them taste much better. And then you mix all the ingredients up in a mixing bowl, and then just add a little bit of water until it get firms up and becomes kind of sticky. You just want to make sure you get all your flour to where the flour mixes in well. There's no certain amount. If I'm guessing at it, I'll probably add about maybe 1/8 of a cup of water up to possibly a 1/4 cup. But you could tell when you're mixing it up. Just add a little tiny bit of water at a time, and it comes out really great. These taste really good, so I think you'll like them if you want to give them a try. And what you want to do is you put this in an oven, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you cook these depending on how your oven bakes, 8 to 12 minutes. I usually do mine for 12 minutes. That seems to be the key time for my particular oven. So these are really good. So give them a try. I think you'll like them. Bye bye.